In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a GoDaddy website password protected. If you want to keep part of your website private, GoDaddy makes it fairly simple to do. This can be useful if you're creating members-only content, sharing information with a limited group, or temporarily hiding a page while it's still being worked on. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can protect a specific page with a password. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're logged in, look for your profile area. This is usually where account-related options are stored. Click on your profile and from there, go to My Products. This section contains all the services and websites connected to your account, so it's the place you'll use to manage your site. Inside My Products, find the specific website you want to update. If you have more than one website in your account, take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one. Once you've found it, click Edit Website. This will open your website editor, where you can make changes to your site's pages and settings. After the editor loads, click on Website to access the structure of your site and view its pages. From there, select the specific page that you want to make private. This is an important step because the password protection is applied page by page, so be sure you're choosing the exact page you want to restrict. Once you're on that page, look for the gear icon and click it. Then choose Page Settings. This is where you'll find options related to that individual page, including visibility and access controls. In the page settings, you should see an option for Private Page. Toggle that on. As soon as you enable it, GoDaddy will allow you to create a password for that page. Enter a password that's easy for authorized visitors to use, but still secure enough to protect the content. If you're sharing the page with others, make sure you send the password privately and avoid placing it publicly anywhere on your site, and that's it. Once the private page setting is enabled and your password is created, that page will be protected. Visitors will need the password before they can access it. This is a quick and effective way to control who sees certain content on your GoDaddy website.